Now, this illustration deals with protection in bathrooms where we install these receptacles. But notice we're going to kind of isolate the bathroom now, and we're going to look at these receptacles as they are installed in bathrooms in GFCI protected too, in accordance with 210.8A as in Apple 1. Now notice the basin to the left with the counter. A receptacle has to be installed within 3 foot of that sink, the inside walls measured from there, and it has to be GFCI protected. However, you cannot locate a switch or a receptacle in an area where there's a shower or a bathroom. And notice that's very clearly stated, but you have to go over to the article that deals with switches, Article 404. And 404.4 says in car states this. Doesn't matter if the homeowner wants you to put it there coming in. It's a code violation. You have to tell them that. A receptacle cannot be located there either, in accordance with 406.9 says in car. Then notice the note, receptacle outlets installed within 6 foot of a tub or shower should be GFCI protected. That's a new rule that we find in 210.8A9. So be very careful where they're located. Be very careful about putting a hanging fixture over the bathtub, a fan. Many homeowners want this done. And some electricians will do it when they're providing GFCI protection for the circuit. But let me point out that if somebody got killed in that tub due to a faulty GFCI for any reason, the electrician would be held responsible, and so would the contractor. So care must be taken in the bathroom where you locate receptacles and switches. And we know that 210.52 deals with this, but also 250.8A1, A9, and A10 should be read now for these locations. And figure 10-23 is just dealing with the location of these receptacles when they're installed and how they have to be GFCI protected in accordance with 210.8A1.